friendship stage. Yung kilig-kilig pag getting to know you pa lang yan.
Ay, maganda yan, Kuya Dick. At start na ang debate natin. Pero simulan din natin ang in love na atmosphere sa two
Yan ang
of our
masarap.
young and in love champions. Please welcome Rachel Ango and Christian Bautista.
Love of my life, destined forever. I will be right here by your side. No falling tears when we're together. You know the joy you bring to me.
There'll be no other who will share as lovers. Right from the heart, from my mind to your soul, I will give it to you, boy. My every little thing that I'm more than willing, I will give to you. Forever starts from now, I promise you. Loving you is all that I can do. No one can take it away from me. Nobody but you.
But you.
Now is the time, stars will be bright, bodies will groove all through the night. Come take my hand, then we will fly high. Come on, baby, hear me say.
Never, there'll be no other. We'll share as lovers. Right from the start, from my mind to your soul, I will give it to you, girl. My every little thing, now I am more than willing. I will give to you.
Forever starts from now,
I promise you.
loving you is all that I can do. No one can take it away from me. Nobody.
There'll be
No time for sad goodbyes. Without you here, I can't get by. No, don't you go away. No.
never,
Oh, there'll be no other. We'll share as lovers. Right from the heart,
from my mind to your soul, I will give it
to you. But every little thing,
now I'm more than willing. I will give to you.
forever starts from now. I
Promise you.
Loving
love.
Ng
diba?
love.
Si Rachel and Christian. Dapat makuha
Rachel,
na natin
bakit
sila.
hindi kayo masyadong sweet ni...
Ang layo nyo.
Ni Christian kanina nung
Ay, di
kumakanta
ba?
kayo? Bakit parang hindi niyo masyadong ramdam yung kanta? Ha?
Di po ba?
Pero pag kumakanta kayo, punong-puno ng pag-ibig yung kanta ninyo. Kaya gusto namin malaman. In love na ba kayo?
Nako.
O in love ba kayo
O in
sa
love
isa't
ba kayo?
isa? Ayan.
Is it?
This is something, ah.
In love kayo sa isa't isa?
Well, ako, Christian, sagot.
Ako muna. Well, right now,
Ano, Christian? Ayoko nang sagot na busy ako with my career, ah.
Hindi nga, okay. Alam naman niya eh. So, pero papakita ko lang sa totoong buhay, behind the camera, and through my songs, sa lahat ng mga pwede ko pang gawin. Pero, closer na, okay. Pero, hindi ko pwede ipilit, syempre. Kung I'll wait for the right time, and kung destined, why not?
Why
That'll be
not?
great, di ba?
Rachel, bibigyan mo ba ng time si Christian para makilala siya?
Well, alam naman niya na I like you. I like you. Hindi ko na kaya.
Si Judy Ann!
Juday, alam mo na sinabi mo.
Hindi, pero
Follow-up question!
You're not the host here. Okay. You're just
Hindi,
a guest.
kasi nice naman siya. Super, super bait. And palagi siyang nandyan for me. Pero I can say naman na in love agad ako, diba? So, it takes time.
Yes, it does.
Pero pag sinabi mong I like you, it's a good start, hindi ba?
Oo, Kuya Dick.
Anything.
And it's a start for you to get to know each other better.
Better.
Diba? So, bigyan natin ng time si Rachel.
Christian, Rachel, huwag kayong mag-alala. Hihintayin namin kayo.
Thanks, Dick.
At sana wag abutin ng second year anniversary ng Y-Speak bago kayo ma-in love.
Sana before Christmas. Di ba? Okay. Okay.
Thank you, Christian.
Thank you very much, Christian and Rachel. Magaling nila talaga.